Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. And so this is the product to promote, guys. All right, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday. But we're gonna refresh the page to make sure that those are good. You know, that is factual. You know what I mean? Boom. All right. It looks like we did not get a big sale, which is totally fine. Not a big deal. Don't really worry about it. So what we're gonna do from this point on, guys, I want to show you guys how to get links so you can promote this product. All right, guys, real simple thing here. So what you want to do is you're gonna see the links in the description, guys. You're gonna see step 1. You're gonna say something like incomespeech.com, and what you want to do, you want to click on it. It's going to take to a page look something like this. On this page, it explains what the $25 business actually is, what it does, how much money you can make, stuff like that, right? And essentially it's a funnel builder, and what that is basically a series of websites to get you to buy something. Now if you're an affiliate marketer, you already know all of that, and the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month, and this is $25 a month. So you're saving a ton of money by moving over to here. So I want to go and stress that. Really good product, right? So also you can make up to $120 per commission per month, guys. That means one person can get you $120 every single month, and in a year that's $12,000. 2 years, 24, so on and so forth. And if they stay in the program, all right, so fantastic. All right, and they also give to charity, which is really great. Really love it. But yeah, man, we can just do that if you're interested in the charity thing. All right, so you can just look over this and decide you want to try this out or not. And I'm gonna click yes, I want access, right? Take it to this page, put in basic information, get the product, boom, you're done. All right, there's videos explaining everything from that point on. Now one thing I want to show you is the HBA premium. Now this is basically training on how to promote products and stuff, promote it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, podcasting, blogging, solo ads, whatever, right? And it's constantly updated because rules change, stuff change, we find out stuff. For example, like a solo ad that we were using, find out, hey, it's a scam or something like that. We change who we're using and stuff like that. You know, you gotta be very careful with solo ads, guys. So it just trying to make sure you keep up with stuff like that. And plus, rules change on social media. It's like the stuff that worked on TikTok now, I mean, yes, last year, even last year, does not work now, guys. The stuff that worked on TikTok last year don't work now. That's how crazy this is. How easy it is for things to change. And you have to be updated. You gotta be constantly updated. So that's why you don't buy a course that's not updated, because it's useless. If you bought a TikTok money making course last year, it's useless now. All right, so you just got to keep up with it. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Get the product here. Oh, one more thing here. You also will get, if you get a sale with this product, you'll get $100, even though you don't technically own the product yet. So this is a fantastic deal. So anyway, you just complete all to get instant access, and then it's just a series of signing up for an account, and it's videos explaining it, all of this. Just very basic stuff you have to do. And once you do that, guys, now you need a way to promote. Once you get your links, you need a way to promote them links. And I'm gonna show you guys the absolute easiest way I have found to promote these links. No work hardly at all, guys. No work at all. So First thing you want to do is go to, and I've been testing this for a long time, and it's just been giving me sales, man. It been giving me sales. I did not believe it at first, but it does get me sales. Um, I just been testing that. So what you want to do is click on my second link. It's gonna take you to my lead gen secret, right? And what this is basically you get a sale. I mean, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. All right, so just get in here, right? You click on mailing system, click on this, so you just send an email, right? Now, what are we gonna do for the email? We have ChatGPT to write the emails for us, guys. So we're just gonna click on the next email from that, upload it, boom, 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 fantastic, and we just send it. But we ain't gonna use ChatGPT. We're gonna use one of my emails. I ain't used my emails in a long time. I don't want to get. Yeah, this is right here. Filling my money. Well, we're gonna pick this one instead, guys. I'm gonna use this one. One of my emails I written myself. I'm gonna hit preview. I'm gonna show the email like that, and you just want to make sure your link works, guys. That's the most important part here. And perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check it. Also, I want to show this, but I want to show this email just in case you guys want to copy the email, use it yourselves. No problem with it. I have no issue with it. Just pause the video so you can copy it. Either way, keep your emails extremely short. Try to stay short. Those work the best, I found. And plus, it's not that much work on you when you keep it short. All right. So anyway, you just send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. And once you got a ton of emails in the system like me, you don't even really need to write them anymore. And that's what I mean by the absolute easiest way to make money online that I found, period. Because this makes me money, and I don't hardly have to do nothing. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.